How to pin post on Facebook profile. Now, let's say you want to have this specific post on the past that you want to pin on top of your profile. All you have to do in order for you to pin this specific post on your Facebook profile so that anyone who stalks you will be able to see it on the upper part of your profile is to go to your profile icon right here. And once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down and locate the post that you want to pin. Let's say this one right here. Now, all you have to do in order for you to pin this specific post on your Facebook profile is to tap on these three dots on the upper corner right here. And then there is a section that says pin post right here. All you have to do is to tap on that. And once you tap on that, you'll be able to see if you go back to your specific profile icon right here, that if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that this specific post that you have pinned to your profile is in the upper part of your account. So that's how to pin post on Facebook profile. Hope we help.